Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are happy, healthy and safe. Be safe and enjoy online classes. We'll continue chapter 1 and today we'll study types of chemical reactions. There are different types of chemical reactions. Here we'll study some types of chemical reactions like combination or addition reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement or substitution reaction. It is of two types, single displacement and double displacement. Before going to study these reactions in detail, we should know how do chemical reactions take place. Chemical reactions take place on the basis of collision theory. Collision theory states that reactants must collide each other during the reaction. What is meant by collide means to hit each other. When reactants hit each other, they provide kinetic energy to the molecules, and this kinetic energy is required to break old bonds and to form new bonds. Particles should hit each other in a right way. How it is? See this equation. AB is one reactant. It reacts to another reactant C and form AC plus B. When C hit AB particles on A, then only AC will be formed. If C will hit B, this AC will not be formed. So, it is must that particles should hit on a particular element, atom or molecule. Then only the right compound will be formed, the reaction will occur. We know that many elements or compounds when react, no reaction take place, no product is formed. It is because of no right hitting of the particles, no hitting of the particles on reactive side of each other. We'll continue types of reactions. First is combination or addition reaction. As its term says, combination means combining of the compounds. When two or more small molecules react each other, they combine together and form single molecule. Then it is called as combination reaction. We'll see hydrogen gas when react to oxygen gas, it forms a water molecule. Nitrogen gas react to hydrogen gas, then it forms ammonia gas. Sodium metal when react to chlorine gas, it forms sodium chloride. When carbon burn in air, react to oxygen and form carbon dioxide. Calcium oxide when dissolved in water, it forms calcium hydroxide and heat is released. We can observe in all these reactions that two reactants combine and forming one product. Such type of reactions are called as addition reaction or combination reaction. When heat is released in any of the reaction, the reaction is called as exothermic reaction. Exo means exit, therm means heat. A chemical reaction during which heat energy is released, called as exothermic reaction. Second reaction is decomposition reaction. In first reaction we studied that two elements combine and form one. Here just opposite of that. Here one large molecule breaks down to form two or more small molecules. Here XY is one molecule. It breaks and form X and Y. Separate out its constituents X and Y. In breaking of a molecule, some kind of energy is required. This energy can be given in different forms. It may be in form of heat, in form of electricity, in form of light. So energy can be provided in different forms, on the basis of which the name of reaction is given. First, if we provide energy in the form of heat, such kind of decomposition reactions are called as thermal decomposition reaction. For example, limestone, that is also called as marble. Marble, when heated, it breaks into its constituent calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas is released. Here, calcium carbonate is one molecule. On heating, this molecule breaks. Its bond breaks and form its simple constituents calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. This reaction is very important as it is used in many industries. For example, in manufacture of cement, glass, etc. We'll take another example, FeSO4.7H2O, crystalline ferrous sulfate. When this green colored crystalline substance is heated, it loses its green color and become off-white after releasing water molecules. This 7H2O means 7 molecules of water present with FeSO4 makes it crystalline. That's why this is called as water of crystallization. On heating, water of crystallization is removed and FeSO4 turn amorphous. Amorphous means in powdered form. This FeSO4 on further heating break down and form ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. One molecule FeSO4 give rise to 3 other molecules. This is breakdown of FeSO4 into ferric oxide. Sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide are gases, so they will be released. So remaining substance is ferric oxide. Third example, heating of lead nitrate. Lead nitrate is white substance. This white compound, when heated, it releases one colorless gas, that is oxygen, another brown colored gas, that is nitrogen dioxide. The remaining substance is lead oxide, a yellow substance. Again we'll observe one molecule is giving rise to 3 molecules. So it is also breakdown process and decomposition of a large molecule. if the energy is given in form of electricity and this electricity is responsible for breakdown of a molecule, such reactions are called as electrolytic decomposition reaction. To understand this, we'll study hydrolysis of water. Hydro means water, lysis means breaking. So breaking of water molecule. To study it, we have to arrange this set. In this, we have to take a beaker and set two electrodes, anode and cathode. Then we have to invert test tubes on the electrodes and fill this with water. These electrodes are connected to battery and there is one key. When key will be closed, electricity will be supplied as circuit will be completed. This electric current will break down water molecule. Water molecule will break down into hydrogen and oxygen gas. Hydrogen has positive charge. Oxygen is negative, means hydrogen is electropositive and oxygen is electronegative. So being electronegative, oxygen will be collected over positive terminal, that is anode, and hydrogen being electropositive will be collected over negative terminal, that is cathode. So in this way, water molecule break down into oxygen and hydrogen on passing electricity. So electric energy is responsible for breakdown of water molecule. Now third is energy in form of sunlight. The unit of energy in sunlight is called photon. So the reaction is also called as photolytic decomposition reaction. When silver chloride is exposed to sunlight, silver chloride molecule break into silver and chlorine. Chlorine being gas is released and remaining substance is silver. This is a grey colored substance obtained when silver chloride is exposed in sunlight. Same reaction happen with silver bromide. Silver bromide is light yellow colored substance, and when it come in contact with sunlight, a gas is released, that is bromine gas, and grey colored substance left behind, which is silver. This decomposition reaction was used in old photography and still in black and white photography. The photographic roll was coated with silver bromide, and when photo was taken, this silver bromide break into silver and bromine gas. Bromine gas released and left behind is gray silver. So it is used in black and white photography. In decomposition reaction, we have observed that some kind of energy is utilized. Such kind of reactions in which energy is utilized are called as endothermic reaction. Endo means in, therm, heat or any kind of energy. So the chemical reactions which utilize energy are called as endothermic reaction. I hope you understood these two types of reactions. In next class, we'll study other reactions. Thank you.